Good morning. Let's see if y'all can hear us. Mr. Alex Hiller, can you hear us?
Good morning, Judge. Yes, sir, I can.
Good morning. Mr. Eric Mesa, can you hear us?
I can hear you perfectly fine, Judge. Good morning.
Okay. Mr. Jesse Herrera, can you hear us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ready, Nita?
Yes, Judge. And Mr. Herrera, you're really not loud. Can you speak up a little bit louder?
Test it again, Mr. Herrera. Announce.
Yeah, Jesse Regar for the defendants, Tony Cisneros and Enrique Cisneros.
Okay, that sounds much better. Okay, let me call the case for the record. We'll get going. Here on cause number 2020DCV4205, Cindy Gonzalez versus Rent and ATV Off-Road Adventures, Texas Recreational Safety and Land Management, Jamil Montran, Carl Dreyer, Enrique Cisneros, and Tony Cisneros. Okay, the plaintiff's attorneys, could you announce ready, please?
Good morning, Judge. This is Alex Hilliard on behalf of the plaintiff, along with Eric Meza. We are ready to proceed.
Okay, and Mr. Herrera?
Your Honor, I represent,
Just announce who you're representing today.
Your Honor, I represent Enrique Cisneros and Tony Cisneros.
Okay, now, let me get a couple of things for the record and we'll get going, okay? And then you can give us some other information, Mr. Herrera. This suit was filed on December 30th, 2020. According to the records, Mr. Tony Cisneros, the defendant, was served on April 6, 2021. No answer had been filed. As of May 20th, 2021, the plaintiffs filed their motion for the default judgment against Mr. Tony Cisneros only. Now, with that in mind, as of today, we just hear from Mr. Herrera that he is going to represent Tony Cisneros. Have you officially filed an answer yet, Mr. Herrera?
Yes, we did, Your Honor.
On behalf of Tony Cisneros?
I believe I did Enrique Cisneros.
Right.
I think that's the only one
Yes. Now, let me tell you this, Mr. Herrera. If you are representing to this court and to the other attorneys that you are going to represent Tony Cisneros, then there will not be a default judgment. You would file an answer today to make it official, and then we'll continue the regular process. So, Mr. Hillard, Mr. Mesa, your default judgment is no longer viable. We have an official answer by Mr. Herrera today verbally. So, Mr. Herrera, as soon as we get off here, would you file your official answer on behalf of Tony Cisneros, forward it to the plaintiff's attorneys, and then, of course, the court will receive it once it's e-filed with that.
I'll do that today, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, so with that in mind, gentlemen, since we cannot go forward with the default judgment, then we'll just wait for Mr. Herrera's response to be filed, and then we'll continue with whatever documents or motions you will need to file. Okay, Mr. Hillard, Mr. Mesa?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, sir.
Okay, well, thank you, gentlemen.